Hello everyone. We empower SMEs and MSMEs to get best financial solutions from leading bank and NBFCs and financial institutions. Help SMEs and MSMEs to make smarter financial choices, speedy and easy process on processing of loans. I'm the founder and CEO of FXM Tech Financials. We have created a knowledge capital by putting together a team of financial experts, CAs, and financial stakeholders to offer professional and credit advice on both consulting and management. Problem most of the business are time trapped and unhappy consumers. Hence, to serve them and serve their product needs on getting finance. Clients attempting at one two spots like banks and NBFCs just and inclined to not moving towards right NBFCs and monetary organizations, banks, financial institutions, and not moving towards the third spot is the enormous hole in Indian business sectors. That's a issue and the problem in the market. Hence, enabling lending partnerships and innovation is the need for digital lending, including turnaround time and operations. Let's get into what we are trying to solve it. We structure our business in a way that we can be disbursement value added partner to the customers, efficient communication and personal approach on right consulting and on onboarding and credit management and underwriting systems, driving convenience to the ecosystems of business is a prime motto to solve it. Why is our best team? We provide values to integrity, employee focus, teamwork, collaboration, relationships. Market size to make impact on financial services and its 46 million SMEs and MSME across various industries and low cost personal loan availability to have flexibility on their smart financial choices where they find inconvenience from getting loans through traditional methods. So it's a large market for SME and onboarding, markets, especially for the SMEs and MSMEs. Since digital lending, BaaS, digital banking, data science, API integration is the need of the markets, is the best time to market having smart go-to market strategies and distribution markets and customer acquisitions. Customer onboarding, identification verifications, video KYCs, and matching with LOS and LMS would be the key role to play on this. With synergies with SME groups, industry associations, and fintech companies, we can fulfill the need of 2 million SMEs and MSMEs and customers on their business loan, mortgage loans, home loans, and personal loans. Just we have signed up with Vadvani Foundations as a partner advantage, uh, which we will execute next month on it, where they serve 700 SMEs about 10 CR. So more synergies and collaborations in pipeline. Customer acquisition will be through social media acquisition, that is paid and frugal both, WhatsApps and a different channel with Martech support on global companies and Indian companies. Targeting SMEs, MSMEs, CAs, property dealers, travel agents, salary professionals, high individuals, including collaborations, partners, resellers, SME associations, and industries, including advisory association, industry associations, and the whole stakeholders. Our commission range from 0.50 to 3%, from 20 lakh to 50 crore size of files on different loans and property mortgages. How do we earn revenue? We have two revenue from NBFCs, financial institutions, and or from the clients, and sometimes from the one side did as well, right? Coming to economic unit economics, we would be profitable after 4 5 months on bootstrap as well. It's a crowded market, but there is an focus area for different business segments, distribution channels, synergies markets, which can lead to high growth business expansions. Onboarding and MSME alternative lending are still at high potential to growth in financial markets. Customer acquisition model then can be rolled out for various major cities in India, from borrowers as well as from the lending side. Thank you.